If you woke up on a bright Tuesday morning to find that every rule and law in your city had vanished, what would you do? Cars rush through red lights. Shops open for 1 minute, then close forever. People shout, "This is amazing." And then, wait, what just happened? The world feels free, but something feels wrong. At first, you cheer. No more boring homework deadlines. No more school rules. You jump over fences, sneak into movie halls, dance in the middle of the street. But soon, you'll see worry in your friend's eyes. A stranger takes her bag, another knocks down her books, and no one stops them. Without laws, every person must protect themselves. People begin to shout, "I want order. I want justice." Along the empty road, you find a small library. Inside sits the old librarian. She wears dusty glasses and smiles kindly. On her lap lies a giant, glowing book called Law. She says, "This book is our guide. It shows us how to live together." The book itself seems alive. Its pages flutter, as if it can't wait to tell its story. The librarian asks, "Will you help me bring back the law book to City Hall?" You nod. She hands you the book. As you walk outside, a wind wicks the pages. Words float into the sky. Fairness, freedom, respect. When before you cross the bridge, a group of no-rule rangers blocks your path. They shout, "Throw away that book. Live free, always free." You feel fear, that you remember your friend's lost bag and the broken books on the street. You plant your feet and say, "I choose fairness." A great storm rises. Lightning strikes the book's cover. You cover the book with your jacket. Step by step, you push forward until you reach City Hall. The heavy doors open as if by magic. You carry the book up tall marble stairs, and on the days you place it carefully. Instantly, the storm stops. The words in the sky fall softly, rewriting themselves on golden tablets. No stealing, help others, speak truth. The city breathes a sigh of relief. Traffic lights shine bright. Mabel shares smiles. You watch children learn this new word. The librarian winks and whispers, "Laws guide us. They keep us safe and fair." You think, maybe one day I can write a law that changes the world. And with a spark of hope in your heart, you open a law book, ready to learn.